In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Hostinger hPanel and manage your MySQL databases efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or a newcomer to hosting, this tutorial will help you navigate through the process smoothly and ensure you're in control of your database management. Let's begin by accessing the Hostinger hPanel, which is where all your hosting management takes place. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. Once there, click on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you haven't saved your credentials, type in your email address and password to access the dashboard. When logged in successfully, you will see a variety of options laid out in the form of tiles or icons. This interface is designed to be intuitive, so don't feel overwhelmed. Focus on the specific task at hand, managing your databases. Next, you need to locate the Databases section. On the dashboard, look for the icon that says Databases and click on it. This will direct you to an area with more specific options related to database management. Here you'll find a feature called MySQL Databases. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all the databases associated with your account. It's a critical step because this is where you'll be able to perform all your database-related tasks, from creation to management. Once you've opened the MySQL Databases section, you'll see all existing databases displayed. Identify the database you wish to modify. In most cases, databases will be listed by name, so locate the specific one you're targeting. Once you've identified it, hover over or click the database name to select it. Now you want to add a user to this database. Look for a button or link that says Add User or something similar and give it a click. Now, you will be prompted to enter a username and password. Carefully think about the username to ensure it's relevant to the tasks the user will perform. The password is equally important and should be both strong and secure. A combination of letters, numbers, and special characters is recommended. Once you have inputted the username and password, it's time to move on to the next step. The final task is to assign privileges to the new user. Privileges determine what a user can and cannot do with the database. You'll see options to check or uncheck various permissions like select, insert, update, and others depending on your needs. Make sure to allocate the right level of access. For administrative tasks, more privileges might be necessary, while for read-only purposes, fewer privileges are required. Once you have assigned the necessary privileges, look for a Save or Submit button and click it to finalize the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Hostinger hPanel, navigated to your MySQL databases, and set up a new user with designated privileges. This straightforward process ensures that you have full control over who can access and modify your databases, enabling better security and management efficiency. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial.